Large conveyor systems are critical to food manufacturing, logistics, mining operations, and automotive manufacturing. A failure in the conveyor system can lead to expensive downtime, costing businesses hundreds of thousands of dollars per hour. Inspecting large conveyor systems today is complex, inefficient, subjective, and labor-intensive. Fixed sensors are often cost-prohibitive for large conveyor systems. Because of this, most large conveyor systems aren't adequately inspected and maintained. What if there was an easy and safe way to detect potential mechanical abnormalities in the conveyor system before they become issues and cause costly downtime? The FLUKE ii910 Precision Acoustic Imager with MecQ mode lets you see the sounds coming from the mechanical components of your conveyor system and identify areas of interest for further specific testing. With FLUKE MecQ, you can quickly scan large areas from a safe distance without shutting systems down. Get ahead of your conveyor repairs with MecQ by visualizing potential issues before they become a problem.